Hey lovelies, today we are going to make some bang bang shrimp, of course, Roma's kitchen style.
Y'all better can cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So let's start with the sauce. Here I have some mayo. I'm going to add some mayo to my bowl. About 3 tablespoons of the mayo. You can make as much sauce as you want, so if you want more, you can just add more mayo. Next, I'll be going in with some sweet chili sauce. And I'll be adding around 2 tablespoons of the sweet chili sauce. Next, I'll be going in with some honey, and this is a tablespoon of honey. Then I'll be adding some cayenne pepper, and that's about a half tablespoon. And once you have all of those, just mix everything together. Mix it really well, then you can rest it to the side, and that's your bang bang sauce. Now on to the dry coating. I have here a half cup of all-purpose flour. Next, I'm going in with potato starch, and you can use cornstarch. I'm just using potato starch because I don't have cornstarch right now. Next, I'm going to season this. Here I have all-purpose seasoning. You can use seafood seasoning or your favorite seasoning. Black pepper. Of course, some more cayenne pepper. And we cannot leave out the garlic powder or the onion powder. Then just a pinch of salt, and that's it for the coating. For the coating, I just need to mix everything together here just to get all the seasoning nice and evenly distributed, and this will give your shrimp the flavor. Now on to the egg wash. 2 eggs are all you need for the egg wash. You don't need to season the egg. So now we have everything that we want. So here are the shrimp. I'll be adding the shrimp to the egg wash. And that's simply just me coating the shrimp in the eggs. Ensure that you drain the excess egg, then you add it to the coating. And after you add it to the coating, you just ensure that the shrimp or each shrimp is well covered with the coating, because that is what is going to give it the nice crispy look. And remember, the coating is seasoned, so you want all your shrimp to be covered in that, right? Shake off the excess coating, then you add it to a plate. And once you're through with that, the next step is to fry these up. I have some oil in my pot here. You need your oil to be hot, but not too hot, because you don't want to burn these as they go in. Fry these until they are nice and golden brown on one side, then you can turn them. And because of the starch, these are super crispy. And once they're finished, they will look just like these, really nice. Perfect crispy shrimp. So now that we have our shrimp, it's now time for us to add this to the bang bang sauce. And you can take your time, just fold these over, get them nice and coated. And that's it on the plate. Looks so good. But of course, I'm going to garnish this with some scallion or some chopped green onions and plate it, and look how amazing this looks. It looks good, and trust me, it tastes even better. If you want to know if that's true, of course you can try the recipe and let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about the video overall. Of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, please subscribe to the channel and turn your post notifications on. Visit my website at roma'skitchen.net. Thank you so much for watching. Until next video.